Immersive Labz introducing Cadaviz, a virtual cadaver dissection table. With the use of the virtual cadaver dissection table, users may recreate the cadaver dissection procedure and see every body part in exquisite anatomical detail. The system is created with doctors, labs, surgeons, and medical students in mind. Users can picture the anatomy as they would on a fresh cadaver. Easy understanding of histology with real-life clinical case studies. Users can digitally examine full-sized human bodies in a way that was previously only possible through conventional cadaver dissection. Use a finger as a scalpel to execute dissection in any direction, at any depth, and disclose anatomical features. Create a model of the human body, mapping all blood arteries, nerves, and their connections. There are multiple split screens to do comparative studies. Visibility menu to show, hide, and annotate individual systems, categories, structure or details, and many more. Its special feature is DICOM image visualization to display a full 3D image. Detailed study of physiology and the processes in it. Users can learn physiology in detail, which includes the study of different systems in human body. This section ensures a systematic study of anatomy of the organs, processes involved, and functions. Convert your classroom into a virtual anatomy lab and try Cadaviz now to learn internal systems of the human body.